Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter, and since we've got the keyboard open, let's take a look at this option bar. As you can see here, we've got the settings, but if you cannot find them, no worries, just tap on this three dots icon right here and the options should appear somewhere here, then you will be able to enter it. So let's tap on it in order to enter, and as you can see at the very top of it, we've got languages and types, so just enter this option. And here we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now, so just tap on manage input languages in order to get into the full list of downloaded languages, because we've got it separated from the available languages, which are right here. So if you will find your language here, no worries, just tap on this download icon, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and then it will be applied to this list. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language and tap on this switcher right here. I will pick Korean because it's quite graphical. As you can see right now it is active, so we can go back and check, and it has been immediately applied to the list. What's more, here we've got language switching method, so it is a new option. Let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got spacebar, swipe, language key, and both. So I will leave both option in order to show you both actually. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. Let's open the keyboard, and here we've got actually only one difference. We've got the globe icon, which is right here. On the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so let's pretend that I am typing English, and let's try and check the first method, the spacebar method. So let's tap on it and swipe it immediately, and as you can see I can easily switch to the Korean option. Let me do it again, and the same situation right now we've got English, so it's quite useful. But we've got also the globe icon, so after tapping on it you can easily switch through the languages. So actually this is it, this is how to add new language to a keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it. So just go back to the settings, tap on the languages and types, tap on manage input languages, and as you can see our newly added language appears at the very top of the list, so it is quite easy to find it and turn it off. So in order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and after getting back we can check that we've got also only the English listed here, and on the keyboard we firstly cannot find the globe icon, and what's more, after swiping on the spacebar all you can do is actually enter the space. So actually that's all. This is how to add the keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.